Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna talk about is 4 ways to increase your profits easily, all right? We have no live today. We're gonna do a live for the week tomorrow, all right? So make sure you guys tap into tomorrow's live. We're gonna go through the watch list and all of that. But today is Sunday, tomorrow is a holiday, so we're gonna focus on studying, all right? So I'm gonna give you guys some game, and it's gonna be up to you to execute. Now let me say, nothing in this video is financial advice. If you guys want financial advice, be sure to go talk to a licensed financial advisor, all right? And also like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, all right? Now, you guys can never say, I held back the game from you, all right? Every single day, I'm giving you guys game to change your life, all right? Today is no different. So, 4 ways to increase your profits easily, all right? Now, the first way is going to be focus on the larger time frames, all right? I have an example for all of these, but focus on the larger time frames, right? The larger time frames are going to let you know where the stock is going. Okay? Hear what I'm saying? The larger time frames let you know where the stock is going. This is no different than being a long-term thinker in life. Think about your life. Whenever you bet on the long-term result of something, you're more likely to win. So even if you want to day trade, right? You need to focus on the larger time frames. When I started focusing on the larger time frames, my trading turned up. My trading turned up. All right? So let me give you guys an example of this. Okay? So let's go to the charts and let me show you guys something. All right? That's the Discord profits tab right there. All right, so let's go to an example of Carvana. So we got Carvana. I'll give you guys this example right here. All right, so this is on a weekly time frame, but let's go to the daily. All right, now, I called Carvana last week on a live. I called Carvana on Wednesday, right? How did I know that they were going to come down? I said 437, right? What did they come down to? 442. I told everybody to get a strike price of 440, okay? If you remember, last week I told you to get a strike price of 440 if you were going to get in this trade, okay? I just want to make sure that you guys remember this stuff. We don't miss over here, okay? So, I told you guys to get a strike price of 440. Now, where did Carvana come down to? It came down to 442, 443. All right? Now, let's look at this. Bigger time frames. This is the daily time frame. We got a double top. Okay? A double top is a bearish pattern, right? So even if the stock is going up in the day on the 15, 20, 30 minute, if I see a bearish pattern and I'm paying attention to the actual pattern and I know where the stock is at in the pattern, then I know where the stock is going to be going to. But that only happens when I am focusing on a bigger time frame. Okay? And then what happened? Boom, started to come down. Came down on Friday, nasty. Popped up, rejected, boom. All right? So bigger time frames is where you make your money. All right? You're able to see what's going to happen. You wake up, right? You wake up and you like, I'm a trade. And the only thing you're focusing on is a 5 and a 15-minute time frame. No. We have to have an analysis and we have to be able to say, okay, the stock did this week, right? This is what the overview looks like, right? Let me really figure out an analysis of where the stock could be going in the middle of the week or the end of the week or the beginning of the week, right? So bigger time frames are going to turn your trading up on a whole nother level, all right? Next, Master out of the money contracts. Okay? You got to master out of the money contracts, y'all. You got to master out of the money contracts. Now, what does this mean? In the money contracts are more expensive. Out of the money contracts are less expensive, right? Now, let's go look at the option chain real quick, right? All right, cool. So let's go to Carvana. Stay on that example real quick, all right? Now, these 440 contracts for next week's expiration date, this coming up week, are between 870 and 1020, right? Now, before Friday, these contracts were probably $500 to $400 because the stock was up at 450, right? So if you would have knew that Carvana was coming down, you could have got a cheaper contract and then you could have made more money, right? So you could have exposed yourself to less risk, but had a bigger potential gain when you're paying attention to the bigger time frames and you know where the stock is going, right? I hope that you guys are following me on this, right? So out of the money contracts are powerful when you know the direction of the stock, right? I hit Apple last week, right? Another example, okay? Where you got to always ask yourself, where is the stock going? Where do I expect this stock to go? Okay. I said the stock is going up, right, on Monday, last Monday. I was expecting this to go to 265. The stock was at 258. I got in at 258. The stock went to 260, 261. I made 50% on my money in 8 minutes. All right. Out of the money contracts. If I would have got a 260 or a 255 contract in the money, it wouldn't have made as much money percentage wise. Right. So when you see people posting these 1,000% trades and 150% trades, it's either one of the two things. They're trading weekly contracts or 0 day to expiration contracts, or they're trading out of the money contracts. So you got to get comfortable with out of the money contracts, okay? Whether it's to the upside or whether it's to the downside. You have to get comfortable trading out of the money contracts. All right? Now, what's the next thing? The next way to increase your profits, I always say this, enter before the move is obvious, okay? Enter before the move is obvious. Really think about this. All right? A lot of times, when we call plays or whatever, some people may not get into the trade. And then the stock makes a move. And now what happens? FOMO. Is it too late to enter? Is it too late to enter? Right? You want to enter before the move is obvious, right? And then you want to sell once it's obvious to get in the trade. Because when it's obvious to get in the trade, what do you think is going to happen? They're going to yank it back down, okay? Because profits are going to be taken, right? Now, it could be a pullback to go higher, or it could just be, them yanking it down and it reject. And that's where people get slipped up. Or if it breaks above a level, it's going to come down and retest, and then it's going to go back higher, right? But you need to learn how to enter a trade before it makes an obvious move. And when it's obvious, that is not the time to take entry. This is why I say, if you want to get into calls, you need to wait until you see some red. Wait until you see red before you enter into calls, because that means that more green is going to come, right? But if you don't wait until red and you see 3 green bars and then you get in, of course it's going to pull back on you because you entered in when it was obvious. Do not enter in the trade when it is obvious, okay? I can't stress this enough, right? When we look at the charts, you really got to think about it, right? Just look. Even this trade on Apple, it was not obvious when it was at 258. It was not fully obvious. But then it blasted off, right? Right up here, right? Now it was obvious people got in, right? Because look on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go back throughout the week real quick. You go to a smaller time frame, right? Say right here, okay? You see a big green candle. You see a big green candle right here. That's when you enter in. It's too obvious at that point. And then what happens, it comes down and then it comes up later, right? This is where you want to enter in if you're going to the upside. You don't enter in at the top, okay? You enter in at the bottom. Same with this. A lot of people enter in right here, then it pull back, they take profits, and then what happens? Then it'll come up. That's how you get minimal gains, okay? You get minimal gains when you do it like that. When you enter in down here, right, because you could read price action, that's when you know you got something cooking and you're about to make a banger, all right? So you have to understand how to enter in the trade before it is obvious, okay? This is a skill set, and you got to learn how to have pattern recognition, all right? And the last way to increase your profits is, take a guess. Learn and master the Strat method. Learn and master the Strat method, y'all. I talk about the Strat method every day in my trading. That is how I teach. That is how I reference the stock market. That is how I reference the charts, per the Strat method, all right? I was talking on live last week and I was talking about deep in your bag. You got to get into your bag, right? Get into your bag. Make your bag deeper, all right? Work on your skills. Work on your game. If you only trading off of EMAs, man, go adopt the Strat method. Understand order blocks. Understand areas of liquidity. This is going to turn up your game, all right? So listen, learn the Strat method. Learn what a 1 candle is. Learn what a 2 candle is. Learn what a 3 bar is, okay? Learn how to trade order blocks and fair value gaps. If you do these 4 things, I promise you over the next 90 to 180 days, your life, your trading will be revolutionized forever, all right? That's all you got to do, okay? So if you guys want help with any of this stuff, man, be sure to join the Discord or book a one-on-one. All right, I'm going to be discontinuing one-on-ones pretty soon. So be sure, if you want to, book that one-on-one before it's gone, it's over, it's too late. All right, so I hope that this video helps you guys out. We're going live tomorrow and we're going to get busy. We're going to figure out what's going on in the market. All right, like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right, and also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at you guys on tomorrow's video. Y'all stay smooth. Peace.